Hello everyone, welcome to Easy French, where you learn French step by step and in a very easy way. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Alright, so in this video we are going to learn about the wild animals and they're called les animaux sauvages. Lion, that's lion, lion. Tiger is called tigre, tigre. Zebra, and that's called zèbre, zèbre. Bear, and in French it is called ours, ours. Elephant, that's quite easy. It's éléphant, éléphant. A deer, and it's called cerf, cerf. Giraffe, and it is giraffe, giraffe. A rhinoceros is called rhinoceros, rhinoceros. A kangaroo, and in French it's called kangaroo, kangaroo. Hippopotamus, that is hippopotam, that's hippopotam. A leopard, and that's leopard, leopard. Fox is called renard, renard, that's fox. A gorilla, and that is gorille, gorille. Wolf is called loup, loup. A hyena, and that is hyena, hyena. A panda, and that is panda, panda, that's panda. And a bison, that's called bison, bison. Well, that's all about this video. I hope you like it. Yes, of course, to learn French step by step, all you need is to just subscribe our channel Easy French. And yes, if you like this video, you can click this like button. And if you click bell button, you get all the information about our upcoming videos. Till then, happy learning French. Stay blessed.